Ni howdy, what yo. Okay, so normally I just drink cold brew because you just grind your beans, put water, then wait. So it's pretty effortless, right? Sometimes I drink matcha like today, but I kind of finished everything already. So yeah, I had no choice because I had remaining pre-made beans and didn't have more beans. That's why I had to drink matcha today. So I decided, what do I do with the remaining beans? I had two options: pour over or Aeropress. I'm kind of scared with pour over because it's more delicate. Like you have to, yeah, I know there's a really proper technique. So I tried Aeropress. Even if I'm a bit scared, I did it, and this is how it goes.
Sort of the least amount necessary to get to fantastic coffee.
Of course, a video with me, of course there always be bloopers. So I wasn't able to film the pouring because I thought I pressed play. Apparently I didn't. So yeah, I made it look so pretty fast. I was like looking at the camera while filming, like, oh my gosh, my pouring doesn't look that bad. I even used this gooseneck boiler? What do you call it? I even used this gooseneck boiler for it. But well, stupidity at its finest.
So it starts to sink to the bottom. Then you're going to wait for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to start to press. Now when it comes to pressing, I would recommend being relatively gentle. You shouldn't be leaning into this. You should be able to do it comfortably with your body away from the Aeropress. So
But it's
you're
not
not pressing
going
too
down.
hard at all. Press gently, press evenly, and once you've waited 30 seconds, you're going to press all the way
I'm so weak.
until you've pressed every drop of greatness out of this press down into the carafe or the cup below. For a 200ml brew for this grind size, that takes me about 30 seconds. Once you press to pull back just a little bit, it'll help prevent drips. Turn it upside down. Once you can clean up now, pop the coffee out, give it a rinse, give it a clean, reset for the next day, and you've got
How is this gentle? Like, I can't put it down. It smells good though. I'm so weak. Mommy, help. Okay. Oh my gosh, I did it. Man, lots of energy, huh? Viola. You have here black coffee. Can't see it, huh? Wait. So, how did he clean it?
ground a bit fine or brew a bit hot for the coffee that you're using. If you've got a bit
Hot,
of
hot, hot.
sourness in your cup, well, the opposite. Feel free to get to maximum temperature and try grinding a little bit finer. Now this, I think, gets you to a great cup of coffee in the simplest, neatest way possible.
That's so
No
cool.
additional unnecessary steps. but it's not the one way to brew the
Ta-da!
Aeropress. So down below.
I haven't tasted this. I'm still thinking because I already had my coffee today. But hope it tastes good. Taste test. Why? Oops. Why did I drop? I mean, I could have spelled this. Yeah. That's a bit anticlimactic because it tastes a bit bland for my liking. I don't know if I'm just used to cold brew or I screwed something up. But okay, it's my first time to try making this, so come on, give me some slack. Anyway, see ya. Bye.